Okay, it's a TMZ typewriter store. Ah, damn it! Typewriter story, starring Brad, Angelina, and...
Hey, Mariel, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, Mariel Hemingway from Superman 4! She's also Ernest Hemingway's granddaughter. TMZ fun fact, he wrote books on typewriters. Speaking of which...
Did you hear that Angelina Jolie, she bought for
oh my God, yes I did hear this.
You heard it?
Gonna ask.
Yeah.
She bought my grandfather's
typewriter.
Well, Angie put a down payment on a wedding gift for Brad, a $250,000 typewriter.
It is the typewriter that Ernest Hemingway wrote For Whom the Bell Tolls on.
I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it was a little sad that, you know, it's not in the family, but...
But it wasn't in the family. She didn't know that.
No, the owner is LA Police Commission President Steve Soboroff.
He has this unbelievable typewriter collection.
Tennessee Williams typewriter, Truman Capote's typewriter.
The Unabomber!
Where? That guy? No. And now a TMZ hypothetical.
If you could get either John Lennon's typewriter that he typed, say, Imagine on, or the Unabomber typewriter, which would you pick?
I don't think John Lennon used a typewriter. It's so counterintuitive to the creative process. Oh, I misspelled people. Oh.
Imagine all the poople.
They're the handwritten lyrics to Imagine.
Right there on John Lennon's iPhone. Anyway, Angelina canceled the deal, didn't buy the typewriter. So, the end. Oh, wait, forgot about Mariel. Thanks, Mariel.
Okay, we take this.
Oh,
Excuse me, sorry.
Dude, that's Mariel Hemingway's shopping cart.